Hello all. During our previous video, we've learned what are fractions. We've learned proper fractions, mixed fraction, proper, mixed and improper fractions. Today, we will learn few more type of fractions and we learn how to compare that which fraction is greater or smaller. First of all, we'll start with equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. When we multiply or if required, we can divide the numerator and denominator of a given fraction by a common number, we get its equivalent fractions. Example, if we are supposed to find out equivalent fraction of 3 by 5, then what we have to do? Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Here we've multiplied numerator and denominator by the same number 2 and we got 6 upon 10. So 6 upon 10 is called equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. Similarly, here we've multiplied numerator and denominator by 3. So one more equivalent of 3 by 5 is 9 upon 15. Here again we've multiplied it by 4. We got 12 upon 20, which is again equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. We can find many more fractional equivalents of 3 upon 5. After equivalent, the next we'll discuss to check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. As you can understand, equivalent word is derived from the word equal. So equivalent means when the fractions are equal, they are called equivalent. Okay, so here we are going to check whether 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 7, these two fractions are equivalent or not. To find out whether these are equivalent or not, we'll do the process as described here. Multiply the numerator of first by the denominator of the second. So numerator of the first is 3 multiplied by denominator of second, that is 7. So 7 into 3, 21. And numerator of the second is 2 by the denominator of the first, that is 4. So 4 into 2, 8. So if they are equal, then only the fractions are equivalent. So we can see 21 is not equal to 8, therefore 3 upon 4 is not equivalent to 2 by 7. Next we'll see one more example of this type, that is we are going to check whether 5 upon 4 and 3 upon 8 are equivalent or not. So the first fraction, its numerator multiplied by denominator of second, that is 8. 8 into 5, 40. Second fraction, numerator of the second multiplied by denominator of first, that is 4, 12. Again we know that 40 and 12 are not equal, therefore these two fractions are not equivalent. Numbers are not equal, fractions are not equivalent. Then came like and unlike fractions. Fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. As you can see, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 7 upon 5, 1 upon 5. So all these fractions are having 5 as their denominator. Therefore, these are all called like fractions. Fractions now, unlike fractions are just opposite of like fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. As you can see, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 7, 4 upon 3, these all are having different denominators. Therefore, these are called unlike fractions. Now next is comparison of fractions. So we'll first of all see whether the fraction are like fractions or unlike and then decide how to compare them. If fractions are having same denominator, so fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. This we've studied right now. Then the one having greater numerator is larger. Having greater numerator is larger. 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7. Same denominator, 7, 7. So these two are like fractions. Now the numerator will decide which one is greater. Number 3 is greater or number 5 is greater. We know that 5 is greater than 3. Therefore, 5 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7. You can see here again one more example. These two are like fractions, 4 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. 5 and 5 common denominators. That means these two are again like fractions. So number 4 is greater than number 2. Therefore 4 upon 5 is greater than 2. Next is comparison of unlike fractions to find which is greater, 4 upon 7 or 3 upon 8. Here you can see that these two fractions are not having same denominator. So these are unlike fractions. If the fractions are unlike, then we use this method to find out which fraction is greater. This process is same as we've discussed in equivalent fractions. To find out whether the fractions are equal or not, same method will decide whether which fraction is greater. So 4 is taken, 4 is the numerator of the first fraction multiplied by denominator 8 of second fraction. 8 into 4, 32. Numerator of second fraction multiplied by denominator of first fraction. 3 into 7, 21. Now we know that 32 is greater than 21. So 32 is for 4 upon 7. 32, we got 32 in place of 4 upon 7. This numerator 4 came from 4 upon 7. So 4 upon 7 is greater than 3 by 8. This is called cross multiplication method. The same method we've used in equivalent fractions. Next, one more example. These two again are unlike fractions, and to compare which fraction is greater, we've multiplied the numerator of first by denominator of second. We've got 15, and then here numerator of second multiplied by denominator of first, 8. So 15 is greater than 8. Therefore, this is 3 upon 4 is greater than 2 by 5. This way you can check which of the two fraction is greater or smaller. Last in the segment is unit fraction. Fractions having 1 as numerator are called unit fractions. Example, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 10 and many more. So note, one thing is to be noted here. All unit fractions are proper fractions. I wish you all got the point. You have